Hello friends, welcome to my channel Immortal Soldier. Today's topic is BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. Let's begin. The Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation is a regional multilateral organization. Its members lie in the littoral and adjacent areas of Bay of Bengal, constituting a contiguous regional unity. It has 7 members, out of which 5 are from South Asia, namely Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. 2 are from Southeast Asia. They are Myanmar and Thailand. Here you can see on the map all the 7 members of BIMSTEC. BIMSTEC not only connects South and Southeast Asia, but also the ecologies of Great Himalayas and Bay of Bengal. It mainly aims to create an enabling environment for rapid economic development, accelerate social progress, and promote collaboration in matters of common interest in the region. Genesis of BIMSTEC. BIMSTEC came into force in 1997 through Bangkok Declaration. Initially, it was formed with 4 member states with acronym BISTEC: Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, and Thailand Economic Cooperation. It was renamed in 1997 as BIMSTEC, and Myanmar was added to this group. With the admission of Nepal and Bhutan in 2004, the name of group was changed to Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. Objectives of BIMSTEC. It has mainly 4 objectives. Creating an enabling environment for the rapid economic development of the sub-region. Encouraging the spirit of equality and partnership. Promoting active collaboration and mutual assistance in the areas of common interest of the member countries. Accelerating support for each other in the fields of education, science, and technology. Principles of BIMSTEC. It has 7 principles: sovereign equality, territorial integrity, political independence, non-interference in internal affairs, peaceful coexistence, mutual benefit, and also constitute an addition to and not be a substitute for bilateral, regional, or multilateral cooperation involving the member states. Its potential. It serves as a bridge between South and Southeast Asia and represents a reinforcement of relation among these countries. Platform for inter-regional cooperation between SAARC and ASEAN members. It is home to around 1.5 billion people that constitute around 22% of global population. With a combined GDP of 2.7 trillion economy, BIMSTEC member states have been able to sustain an average 6.5% economic growth trajectory in last 5 years. It is 1/4 of world's traded goods across the Bay every year. It has also some important connectivity projects like Kaladan Multimodal Project that links India and Myanmar, Asian Trilateral Highway which connects India and Thailand through Myanmar, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal Motor Vehicles Agreement for seamless flow of passenger and cargo traffic. Its significance for India. It allows India to pursue 3 core policies. First is Neighborhood First policy. Second is Act East policy, which connects India with Southeast Asia. Economic development of India's northeastern states by linking them to Bay of Bengal region via Bangladesh and Myanmar. It also allows India to counter China's creeping influence in countries around the Bay of Bengal due to spread of its Belt and Road Initiative. A new platform for India to engage with its neighbor, with SAARC becoming dysfunctional because of differences between India and Pakistan. Areas of cooperation. We have areas like trade and investment, technology, energy, transportation and communication, tourism, fisheries, agriculture, cultural cooperation, environment and disaster management, public health, people to people contact, poverty alleviation, counter-terrorism and transnational crime, and one of the most important, climate change. Institutional mechanism. BIMSTEC Summit, highest policy-making body in BIMSTEC process and is comprised of heads of states of member states. Ministerial meeting. It is second apex policy. It makes forum of BIMSTEC attended by foreign minister of member states. Senior officials meeting. It is represented by senior officials of foreign ministries of member states. BIMSTEC working group. It is attended by ambassadors of BIMSTEC member countries to Bangladesh or their representatives on monthly basis at BIMSTEC Secretariat in Dhaka. Business Forum and Economic Forum, the two important forms to ensure active participation of private sector. We face several challenges like inconsistency in meeting. BIMSTEC planned to hold summits every 2 years, ministerial meeting every year, but only 4 summits have taken place in 20 years up to 2018. Neglect by member states. It seems that India has used BIMSTEC only when it fails to work through SAARC in the region setting, and other major members like Thailand and Myanmar are focused more towards ASEAN than BIMSTEC. Broad focus areas. The focus of BIMSTEC is very wide, including 14 areas of cooperation like connectivity, public health, agriculture. It is suggested that BIMSTEC should remain committed to small focus areas and cooperate in them efficiently. Bilateral issues between member nations. Bangladesh is facing one of the worst refugee crises of Rohingyas from Myanmar who are fleeing persecution in the state of Rakhine in Myanmar. There is a border conflict with Myanmar and Thailand. No free trade agreement. BIMSTEC free trade agreement was negotiated in 2004. Talks on it are yet to be concluded. BCIM, the formation of another sub-regional initiative, Bangladesh, China, India, Myanmar Forum, with the proactive membership of China has created more doubts about the exclusive potential of BIMSTEC. Way forward. Since the BIMSTEC region is notable for its diversity, the member states need to build on the regional synergies and work towards utilizing the available resources in most optimal manner. This would help build a stronger and more dynamic BIMSTEC. That's all for today. Jai Hind. Please do like, share and subscribe.